Hello, and welcome to another edition of Ask ENS. Today we're in the kitchen to take a closer look at the latest advancements in refrigeration and how this is helping us keep our food fresher for longer. We get asked a lot of questions on what to look for in cutting-edge kitchen technology. Right now, we're going to give you some of the answers. How can I get my food to last longer in the fridge? We all want our fruit and vegetables to stay fresh for longer, not only to cut down on food waste, but because it's better for our family's health and wellness. Produce is one of the first things to go off in the fridge. Now, careful placement within the cavity can help a little bit, but having a fridge with the technology to be able to regulate the humidity within those bins will make a world of difference. Take this Liebherr integrated fridge for example. It features BioFresh technology that creates a separate climate zone that sits at exactly 0 degrees with adjustable humidity. It puts food in a hydro-safe state that helps keep fruit and vegetables fresh for weeks instead of days. Now, why do fruit and vegetables spoil, even in a fridge? You know the saying, one bad apple? Well, inside a fridge, all it takes is one piece of fruit or a vegetable to start aging for it to release ethylene gases. Ethylene gas is produced by fruits and vegetables as they ripen. Now, some emit more ethylene gas than others, which will speed up the rate of ripening in other things inside your fridge. Now, Liebherr have solved this food wastage issue with independent zones and active airflow to prevent ethylene buildup. Your fruit and vegetables stay firmer and nutrient-rich for longer, which is great news for the health and wellness of your family, as well as the shopping budget. Now, is it safe to store fresh seafood at home? A standard fridge temperature is around 4 degrees, which is actually too warm for raw fish. On the other hand, this Liebherr model has a dedicated fish and seafood safe zone, which channels cold air where you need it to maintain a constant -2 to 0 degree environment. It's a professional industry standard and effectively doubles the safe storage life of your fresh seafood. Does high-tech refrigeration mean higher energy bills? Now, when it comes to high-tech fridges, it doesn't mean a higher energy bill. We've seen many brands, including Liebherr, move to using more efficient compressors and different types of refrigerant. Liebherr has developed vacuum insulation and precision sensors to maintain interior microclimates that use less energy than traditional fridges. When you factor in the money you save from not throwing out spoiled food, the investment pays for itself over time. Now, do fridges dry out food? This used to be the case in a traditional sense. Both the fridge and the freezer would share air circuits, meaning every time you open the freezer, the fridge is getting a blast of cold Arctic air. Now, when it comes to Liebherr, we've got a unique technology called duo cooling. This means that both air circuits are kept separate, and any Arctic air from the freezer won't dry out the food in the fridge. I hope we've helped answer your questions about how the latest innovations in refrigeration are helping Australian families keep their food fresher for longer, therefore improving health and minimising food wastage. If you want to see more of the latest tech in refrigeration, visit an ENS showroom. Our kitchen specialists and Liebherr integration experts are here to help. We look forward to seeing you soon. If you have any questions you want ENS to answer in another edition, ask us here, ens.com.au/questions. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.